want to say it, maybe I'll say it in Sepedi and then translate it in English, that re phela bophelo ene bophelo jo ke ntwa. Re swanetse go tswele pele ka go lwa, go lwela go phela bophelo jo bokaone. Ebile bophelo jo ke leeto le legolo la go lala re tsamaya, re sepela, re tshela dinoka di tletse, ba bangwe re tshela mawatle le dinaganaga re nyaka bokamoso. But I can translate that and say that in FBA ideas, we say we have not yet arrived. We are work in progress. We are beings in the process of becoming a people in constant pursuit of greatness, excellence, and total emancipation. Fundamentally for us, above and beyond, through and in, the joy was, still is, and will forever remain in the journey of our becoming. And of course, this is an unfolding story. The best is yet to come, and the best pages of our lives are yet to be written as we change the course of history and the narrative of Africa. That, in a nutshell, is me saying, for Kopanya, you have been a very great brother. I cannot imagine the progress in my life were if not for your intervention and support in this journey. FBA owes a lot of its success to people like you and Kate, of course. So I'm looking forward to continuing this journey with you. And Kate, thank you for always being there. Kate was the person at home at Vets when I was frustrated. I used to cry too. So, you know, this is life, and let's live it. Let's come alive. To everyone.
Amen.